Microeconomics is the study of how individuals and businesses make decisions about allocating scarce resources. At its heart, microeconomics is not just about money, but about the choices we make every single day. While macroeconomics looks at the entire country, microeconomics focuses on the single consumer or the individual business. These four pillars help us understand why prices move and how people decide what to buy or sell. Microeconomics zooms into the details of markets, while macroeconomics zooms out to the national or global scale. When supply meets demand, we find market equilibrium, where the quantity produced matches the quantity consumers want at a specific price. Ultimately, microeconomics provides the tools to navigate a world where resources are limited, but human wants are virtually infinite. Understanding these principles can help you make better financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about how the economy works.